and welcome back to another unboxing obsession video. If you are new to my channel and you do enjoy watching videos of all sorts of unboxings, monthly unboxings, makeup, product reviews, a little bit of travel and adventure here and there, then make sure that you go ahead and you subscribe to my channel. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, then woohoo, welcome back my beautifuls. So happy to be back. I've been super sick for the last 2 weeks, but I am feeling a little better. I'm still not 100%, but I am feeling a little better. So with that said, guys, I'm so excited to be back. And guess what, guys? I am back with the American Influencer Beauty Box. I love this box because it's number one, it's a bi-monthly box. Number two, they focus on different influencers, and that's what the box is going to be based off. And this box, guys, is $34 every other month, and you receive, I believe it's like 5 full size products, 5 to 7 full size products. So with that said, guys, let's go ahead and let's get started. I can't wait to show you guys what we have this time. I believe the prior, not this one, but the last box, I believe it was based on hair. That's what it was, hair, like hair stuff, like it was shampoo and all that stuff. I'll leave a link on the description down below for you guys, so you guys, if you did not watch that video, you guys can go ahead and take a look at it, check it out. So with that said, guys, let's take a look what the box looks like inside. And I'm just flying papers all over the place. So that's what it looks like inside. Ooh, so excited. So let's get started. So this is my information card, guys. So it looks like this this month's box, it's, let me put on my glasses. It's for the influencer for this box. It is Rija Imran. I know I'm not saying that correctly, but that is her. She's so pretty. And they are, so we are going to have in this box some Here Cosmetics. Woo-hoo. And I do have promises on everything inside the box, guys. So excited. So let's get started. So my first item, guys, is going to be this right here. So this is a banana setting powder. It's a double. No, it doesn't say double. It says different language. Who knows? Okay. And let me see if I can. It has like a plastic there, so I'm not going to be able. But that's what it looks inside. Okay. I wonder if it has. Don't think it has like any color. I guess it's just the banana setting powder. It's what it is. So this one, guys, I hate putting on my glasses, but I need to put them on. Okay. So the first so like I said, guys, I was gonna say, so the first item, no. Okay. So this is, again, this is the banana setting powder in medium. Okay, so it has, I guess, this light, medium, and maybe dark. So I received the medium one, and this is a color correcting setting powder that has a subtle yellow hue to counteract any redness or discoloration. Oh, that is perfect for me. It's ideal for setting under eye makeup, spot correcting, or even use as a base eyeshadow. That is awesome. So this retails for $35 guys. The box, remember, is $34 bi-monthly. So just with this item, you already pay for the box. You pay for everything that's inside the box. So that is like super good. So that was my first item, guys. My second item is going to be, let me take this off really quick. This right here. So again, this is Bella Here, and it's cosmetics, and this is a twist up brow pencil in cocoa. So this is number 01. So let's see. And this retails for $20, guys. So it retails for $20, which is super good. Not too expensive. Okay, so this is what the pencil looks like. Oh, it's like really nice. The tip is like really nice and thin. I really like that. Let me see what. Okay, so it says here it's ultra thin, ultra slim brow pencil. It allows for maximum precision when filling in sparse eyebrows. Its oil-free formula delivers smudge-free pigmentation that looks natural. And again, it retails for um, $20. And I'll go ahead and try to do a swatch for you guys because it is really thin. Look at that. So I did a thicker one, and I also did a thinner line so you guys can see. And that retails for $20, guys. My next item, again, it's Bella Peer, and this is a matte lipstick. So I believe that will be the color. This one retails for $20. It says here it's a mineral lipstick. It's richly pigmented lipsticks. It's formulated with the nourishing ingredients such as sunflower seed oil and jojoba, and it lasts for hours. The color is beautiful. I love the color. Let's do a swatch. Oh my goodness, I love this color. Look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? Love the color. Now my next item, guys, is going to be a mini kabuki brush. So this is a bestseller alert. This is super soft. It's dense brush. It distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for any mineral makeup routine. It can also be used with powder or to blend face makeup or more natural looks. This is a cruelty-free brush, and it retails for $20. And it's really nice and soft, super nice. Oh, and it feels really nice on the face too. So there we go. That's the brush. And then the last item here, guys, which I am super excited for all the items, but I'm like super excited for this last item. Once you guys see it, you guys will know why. Now this is the ultimate nude eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $50. It has 35 buttery smooth color eyeshadow palette with a range of matte, satin, shimmer, and foil eyeshadows. And here we go, guys. Look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. Love the packaging. It's so pretty. And look at all these colors. Oh my goodness. I want to remove the plastic because that way you guys can see the colors better. If I can take it out, it will be nice. It will actually be really nice. Okay, I got it. It has a big mirror, guys. Look at that. Huge mirror. The palette itself is huge. And look at all those colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that blue up there. This one. You know, let's do a swatch of that blue one. Oh, that color is so pretty. Look how pretty that is. Let's do a glittery one. Let's do this one. I'm gonna do a few. Okay, look at that, guys. So pretty. Oh my goodness. It has 35 eyeshadow, guys. And this retails for $50. And the box is only $34. Look at this. Love the colors. Love the lip color. The eyebrow pencil is so cute. Love this box, guys. And this box, like I said, is only $34. I'm gonna leave you guys all the links and all the information on the description down below. Don't miss this box. I know they do sell out, so if you once you receive this, you need to go in and order like ASAP, because this box is already out. So with that said, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys back with a different unboxing video soon. Bye, guys.